Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Julia on your Windows machine. So let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Julia download. And guys, here you can see the official website julialang.org. You can click on this download Julia link. So guys, it will redirect you to download page of Julia, and here you can see it's showing me the current stable release, that is 1.9.2. So guys, also I will scroll down and I will show you the LTS release. Okay, LTS support. So long term support, always go for long term support release. So here 1.6.7. if you are watching my video after few days, month, then it may happen the version may change. So I will go with LTS, not with current stable release. So here, depending on your operating system, you can install. So I'm having Windows operating system. So guys, I'm going to click on this 64-bit installer. Okay, now guys, you can see my download has started. It is very small file. So download of this exe is done. Now I'm going to click on this exe. I minimize my browser, and now guys, here I'm going to click on next button. This is installation directory, and now here it is asking me whether you want to create desktop shortcut. Yes, and just click on this add Julia to path. So it will add path, and click on next button. So guys, it will install Julia on your PC. It will hardly take a minute to complete the process. So guys, the installation is successful. Now let's click on this run Julia button, start this application. And now guys, here you can see my application has been started, and here guys, I'm going to print a simple message. So in print, I'm writing thanks for watching, and let me hit enter, and guys, you can see my output. So this way you can install Julia on your PC. Guys, if you like my video, do hit on like button. If you have any query, put in comment box, I will surely reply. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.